The $6 Million Man is a popular American television series that aired from 1974 to 1978. It starred Lee Majors as Colonel Steve Austin, an astronaut who is severely injured in a crash and is rebuilt using bionic implants that give him superhuman strength, speed, and vision. The title refers to the approximate cost of the bionic enhancements he received. The show was based on the novel Cyborg by Martin Kaidin and became a significant cultural phenomenon, spawning spin-offs, merchandise, and even a remake in later years.